Hello everyone and welcome to Glenhaven. Now this beautiful suburb has some of the most amazing homes in the hills, and this one is of no exception. Set on over 1,750 square metres of beautiful land, this home will give you comfort, style, luxury and super convenient location. Welcome to 8 Luss Court, Glenhaven. Beautifully appointed, this luxury home has room for everyone. With 4 sizable bedrooms upstairs and an amazing guest retreat downstairs, you could have the whole family here and you wouldn't even know it. And living spaces, plenty of them, including a fabulous entertainment, guest, media room with its own wet bar that leads straight out onto the family area and to the beautiful grounds around you. Now this particular part of Glenhaven is known for being super convenient. You're just up the road from Samuel Gilbert Public School and Samuel Gilbert Shops, but you also have transport literally just around the corner. It is fabulous living here and it can give you everything that you and your family could absolutely desire. I'm Karen Dangola from Di Jones. You care about finding the right home for you and your family, and we're here to help you on your property journey. I look forward to seeing you soon.